I'm Becca Reeves, Product Manager of ODA for TM Forum, and I'm really excited to be here today with Bostjan from Marand to talk about their Ready for ODA status.
Thanks for having me, Becca. So my name is Bostjan Keber. I work for Marand Software, and my job position is VP of Product. So basically my job is to take care that we develop the right product.
Fantastic. So what were the key drivers for Marand to achieve the Ready for ODA status?
So Marand Software is a software development company entirely focused on development and marketing of ODA-based products. This is quite a departure from legacy or monolithic way of working, because basically our products are much smaller than they used to be. This on one hand means that we are much more able to address specific business problems of customers. Because, for example, when a customer wants to solve a product catalog problem, we don't offer the whole monolithic system, but rather just a smaller component. This approach is also much lighter in terms of cloud resource usage, and it's more cost effective for the customer. But then on the other hand, we must build partnerships when we provide a more comprehensive functional coverage, because companies of our size can't provide, a very comprehensive functional coverage. So we must build partnerships, and this is why we're real advocates of the open digital architecture and open APIs. And we're really happy that the TM Forum recognized our efforts and awarded us the Ready for ODA status.
That's fantastic. So telling us more about those cost-related benefits, what do you have or plan to have in terms of those tangible results?
Actually, there are two sides. One of them are, like you said, the cost-related drivers, but there are also revenue or growth-related drivers. So as of now, already more than 50% of Marand's revenue come from ODA-based products, which is fantastic. But I much rather talk about benefits for our customers. So one of our customers can push 50% of their product changes into production within a single day. And they achieve this thanks to the open APIs and catalog-driven approach. So you can imagine that the positive impact this has on their agility and ability to make small changes on a small scale, before making large investment decisions. And this makes them way more agile than they used to be. Sound architecture, which the ODA is, has many benefits also in terms of saving costs. A customer decided to reuse a product configuration capability that was delivered as a part of CPQ project, also for the digital channels. And this means that their mobile app and their customer portal will use a functionality that was delivered as a part of CPQ for the digital channels, and they won't have to re-implement it once again. And in our projections, this will cost them around 1/3 of development costs. And it will be also much easier to run into production, because we will implement change requests only on a single ODA component instead of separately for each digital channel.
Fantastic. What a wonderful success story. So what other benefits have you been able to unlock as Marand that you'd like to talk to us about today?
Yeah, for us, it was really a path of growth, because, companies of our size usually just implement standards that are created by organizations such as TM Forum. But we decided to go the extra mile, and when we identify some gaps in specifications, a missing API, we decided to team up with a Tier 1 telecom and a BSS mega vendor. And actually just last year, we specified the product configuration API, and it was published as one of the first APIs of 5th generation. And for us, this was really a growth opportunity.
Wonderful. It's very clear to see why Marand is so deserving of that Ready for ODA status. So thank you very much for telling us that story today.
Thank you.
Congratulations to Marand.
Thank you.